Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands-on Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! Isn't it a great idea to build a snowman, most especially this Christmas season? So today's art and craft video is a snowman making with a bottle. Do you want to build a snowman with me? Come on, enjoy the video. Merry Christmas! A snowman is a snow sculpture. Snowman has a beautiful hat and fabulous scarf. He has a lovely carrot for his nose and a smiling face. Snowman has two branches for his arms. Snowman is a popular theme for Christmas and winter decoration. You may also think about Frosty the Snowman and Olaf. Spread love and happiness. Merry Christmas, everyone! Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel, Hands-on Happy Hands, with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching!